The fore engine's ready. The 3 engine's a better shot of it now, it's all ready. One and 2 still not in yet.
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay. This is the landing light unit, and it's motored down. There's a slight wiring problem that we've got to sort out. That'll be sorted out on Saturday. But the motor that does it is in this little square block here, really tiny little motor. And what had happened is the wiring to the brush holders had come adrift. So I had to get in there. Well, I stripped it down and resoldered them on, and it works a treat. This is now fully serviceable, but unfortunately, with the wiring problems we've got, so we've got to sort that out first. But
is this the one what came down from the wing, or is this the one next to it what didn't come down?
This is, we've actually swapped them over to test the circuits out. So this is the one that came down. So I've actually had this apart yesterday, and I've re-greased the gearbox because the grease was a bit dry in the gearbox, and cleaned the contacts in the contact area, because I'll show you on the scrap one. This is a scrap one. I know it looks a bit ratty, but it's all old technology with cutouts and
it is. You can see the cutout there, can't you?
I mean, that's the up cutout.
Yeah.
That's the down cutout, that one there.
Yeah.
And this one is the reversing cutout, so that when it comes all the way to there, it reverses the field, it reverses the motor field, so that when you select it next time, it actually drives back down again.
Changes them over.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Just a DC 3 point where you swap the wires over.
That's what all you're doing is you've got 2 field coils in the motor.
Yeah.
One drives it clockwise, one drives it anti-clockwise, so they just swap those 2 over.
Yeah. Good.
Somebody got a number 7 navigator, a radio operator, and 2 numbers.
We got here a little bit late this morning, and both engines have been fitted. Just going to have a word with Jack. We hear he's got his stiffener plates back to complete the solid riveting of the fin, of the rudder, sorry. You know the 2 skins, Keith, where they meet on the wooden edge, you leave a gap. Is there any reason for leaving that gap?
Yeah, just expansion of the wood and that. If you had them touching, as it moves in the air, they fret.
I see. So you leave the gap for expansion and whatever. Keith using a pair of dividers to get the centres of the holes correct. Deburring the holes, I should say. Just cleaning up the inside, which goes to the wood. Pilot holes drilled through the skin into the wood underneath. trailing edge inspection panels are going on again.
On this side I've got to change some rivets there, but that's it there, look.
That's what you've been waiting for all this time?
Yeah. Steel insert to go into the steel insert that's already there.
Yeah. And you've got one of those this side?
Yeah.
Oh right, and what about this end?
They're there, they're waiting to be fitted, but that's one of
These are them all,
that's them there. That's it there.
You've got to drill them and rivet them on?
Yeah.
And you've got the rivets?
Yeah, they're just ordinary rivets.
Oh, yeah. Aren't the wake?
I've got that ready, the anchor nuts to fit and that.
Was this on before? Yeah. Oh, good. Thank you. So what's your next stage, Keith? After varnishing and that, now you've countersunk the holes.
Put skins on.
Have they gone to the painters?
Yeah, they're away.
So the next one is the final fit, is it? What will you do? Put all the skins on and then start riveting from the bottom?
No. Just work out, put one skin on, then the next one
overlaps.
And then start riveting them. Then work from there. Because you have to put joining compound on. And if you put all on, the compound will go off before you rivet it up.
It looks good.
It's getting there.
Was it difficult with the drilling of the wood?
No, the drilling the wood was simple bit. It's just mapping it out and dimpling it afterwards.
And you've obviously dimpled the skins, have you?
The skins are done, yeah.
Oh good, so it should soon take shape now then.
Yeah, hopefully a week or so.
How many times do you think you've had the skins on and off?
Oh, about 30 or 40 times.
Yeah. It's a long process.
Oh yeah, but the trouble is you have to make sure it's right. You only get one go at it.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's make another skin.